Hey guys, this is Sanskruti Mishra. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about an app that I use to edit all my videos on my phone. So I record all my videos on my phone. I don't use a camera for it, and right now also I'm recording on my iPhone 11 Pro, but if you're thinking that it's only iPhone which can be used to record videos, then that's not the case, because I have previously recorded with my Android phones as well. I have used the Samsung, the OnePlus, the Mi, literally every phone to record videos, and they used to give me pretty decent quality videos. So if you're starting and you're on a budget and you want to start your YouTube channel, you want to record videos, please don't hesitate to use your mobile phones. I actually know a lot of well-known YouTubers, YouTubers with lakhs of subscribers, and they still use their mobile phones to record videos. We all can accept that it's a very handy thing, very easy to use thing, and also you don't have to transfer your videos here and there. You just record them in your phone, edit them in your phone, and upload them to YouTube from your phone. So it's like a very seamless process, and it takes very less time to do so. So yeah, that's what I do. I record on my phone, I edit on my phone, and I upload the videos to YouTube on my phone. So that makes it a very seamless and easy and quick method. So a lot of you ask me what software or app do I use to edit my YouTube videos, and I have done a lot of research about it. Back in the day, almost 2 years ago, when I was searching for a perfect app that I can use to edit my videos, because most of the editing apps are pretty trash. They do not allow you to seamlessly edit your video. When you are sitting to edit your videos, there are a lots of cuts in between. A lot of people I know use InShot too, but for me it just didn't work. I really love to use Kinemaster, and I think it provides all the options that I really need to edit a pretty decent looking videos. All the videos that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel, I have edited them using Kinemaster, and today in this video I'm going to edit a short video in front of you guys to give you a short of an editing tutorial of the basic Kinemaster features that you should be knowing in order to edit your videos. So let's get started. I have my phone here, and let's just open Kinemaster. This is how the app looks like. Now let's quickly, so I haven't updated my app, but here it's showing me 3 canvas options: the 16:9 horizontal, 9:16 vertical, and the 1:1. I think if you'll update the Kinemaster now, then it shows other canvas features too, which is pretty amazing. So for the YouTube videos, we use the 16:9 horizontal, of course. Let me just quickly import a video so I can show you. For example, this is the video that I want to edit. Now what Kinemaster allows you is that, for example, I want to keep this short, and then when I'm fixing my hair, I want to cut that from the video. I don't want to show you that I was fixing my hair in between taking the pictures. So here, let me just, so I want to keep my video till here. So I will select it, then I will click on the scissor and split at playhead. So this splits the video. So now I have the part of the video that I want to keep with me here, and it is cut from the rest of the video. So now this part is secured. Now I want the part I'm fixing my hair, so till here I want to remove this part from the video. So I'll again select it, click on the scissor, and I will trim to left of playhead. So the part of video that was till the left, all of it got removed. So now I have this part and then this part. So the part where I was fixing my hair is gone, just like that. How easy it is. Now let's just go ahead, and now I'm fixing my earring here. So I again want to like cut that part where I was fixing my earring. So I'll do the same thing. I will scroll all the way till the part I want to remove. So I want to remove till here, select it, click on the scissor and trim to the left of playhead. So the part I was fixing my hair is now removed. So now let's start from the beginning. See, so all the parts where I was fixing my hair or I was fixing my earring, it is all removed just like that. So all we need to do is scroll your video till the part that you want to like remove, select it, click on the scissor and left of the playhead. Or if you're coming from like, for example, if you're coming from the back and you want something to be removed from the right of the playhead, then you want to click on trim to the right of playhead. So this is the first basic thing that you need to learn, is how you split the video, how you trim to the left or to the right of the playhead. So now you can seamlessly edit your videos. Like there's any part in between of the video that you want to cut, you can just quickly cut it. This is the first basic thing that you need to learn while video editing, and Kinemaster allows you to do that. So the next very interesting thing is layering. So if you click on the layering option, you can like select any other media or any other video or picture that you want to add on top of your video. Like for example, I'm sitting and talking here. Now I want to add a video here, you know. So this is how you layer. You click on the layering option, you add any media. For example, I want this cat's picture, so you can just crop it from this cropping portion here, however cropped you want it, and you can just keep it wherever you want it, and you can just increase or decrease the duration like that. And see, now I have a cat's picture on top of the video. So these are the basic options. You can add audio from here, and you can also download some audios from the Kinemaster audio library. You can add some sound effects from their sound effects library. And you can also, there's this mic option which allows you to record your own voice. If you want a voiceover in your videos, then you can do that too. I have done it in many of my videos. So these are the basic features of Kinemaster, and that's basically how I edit my videos on my phone. I hope this video helped you. If it helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos. And yeah, till then, bye bye.